Sees you.
It'd be money to see that.
Me too. Smells the impy scent of mountain spikes come to make mischief among us. Rolf will release his rage now. Hello, Ed boy.
What are you, some kind of troll or something?
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
Get it on! Whoa! Ha-ha!
You have vandalized Rolf's face, and you have
Banzai!
and you have stolen Rolf's chicken check again.
Oh, my aching back!
Ow!
Did you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Rolf is not amused, you understand? That? Yes, that is what I said. Yeehaw!
Don't let the monster eat me!
Hey, Rolf! Incoming!
Hey!
Never again will Rolf store house keys in his trouser pockets. We have angered the Maggie boys.
Maniac, I tell ya!
Good morning, Eddie. You're crazy.
Rolf's mind got blank.
Like you're picking daisies! Where's your babies now, Captain Stupid Stork? Sweetheart! I accept this award on behalf of the
I am a wiener. Huh?
I ain't touching that.
Never did the hospitality is great for Do not fool Rolf! I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
Huh?